Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about syphilis. Syphilis is a chronic systemic infection. It is caused by a spirochete Treponema pallidum. It is usually a sexually transmitted disease, but it can be transmitted through non-sexual modes as well. It has two modes of transmission. It can be sexual and it can be non-sexual. Sexual modes are when a person is having contact with person having syphilis. It can also be transmitted through oral as well as anal sex. In non-sexual modes, it is transmitted through blood transfusion and infection in utero from mother to child. How many types of syphilis are there? It is of two types, acquired and congenital. Acquired syphilis is when a person is acquiring it from someone else who has already had syphilis. And congenital syphilis is when a person had syphilis transmitted through mother. Acquired syphilis is of four types. It can be primary syphilis, secondary syphilis, latent syphilis, or late syphilis. Congenital syphilis is of three types: early congenital, late congenital, or stigmata congenital syphilis. What is acquired syphilis? Acquired syphilis is when a person is having it from other person. Primary syphilis occurs when primary chancre begins as a single painless papule. This papule will then ulcerate and become an indurated lesion, that is hard chancre. In secondary syphilis, it develops after 6 to 8 weeks after the appearance of primary chancre, and secondary syphilis has four cardinal signs like skin rash, generalized lymphadenopathy, condylomata lata, and mucus patches. Latent syphilis occurs in first year after infection, whereas late latent occurs after first year. So latent syphilis is of two types, early latent and late latent. Late syphilis is of three types: asymptomatic late neurosyphilis, tertiary, that is benign gummatous syphilis in which gumma is formed, and quaternary syphilis, that is cardiovascular syphilis and neurosyphilis. Congenital syphilis occurs when it is transmitted from mother to child. Early congenital syphilis occurs within first 2 years of life, most often between 2 and 10 weeks of age. Late congenital syphilis occurs after 2 years of age. And stigmata of congenital syphilis. In it, a person will be having Hutchinson teeth, which are centrally notched, widely spaced upper central incisors, mulberry molars, extra cusp on first molars, frontal bossing, and saddle nose. How diagnosis is made? It is made in dark field microscopy, means the field will be dark and Treponema pallidum will be bright, and it will be showing a different rotatory corkscrew motion and in direct fluorescent. What are the diagnostic tests for syphilis? There are two tests, non-treponemal and treponemal. Non-treponemal tests are non-specific. It is of two types. We can do Venereal Disease Research Laboratory, that is VDRL test, or RPR, that is rapid plasma reagent test. There are second type of test, treponemal test. They are specific for Treponema pallidum. They have FTA-ABS, that is fluorescent treponema antibody absorbent test, TPHA, that is Treponema pallidum hemagglutination test, and TPI, that is Treponema pallidum immobilization test. These are specific tests for Treponema pallidum. What is the treatment of syphilis? The treatment primarily consists of penicillin, and we can also use antibiotics like doxycycline and tetracycline according to the need of the patient. That's all for today. I hope you have learned a lot about syphilis. Thank you.